आप लोगों से प्रार्थना है, एकाग्र मन से भगवान हनुमान जी की पूजा शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। आपसे अनुरोध है आपस में बातचीत ना करें। मेंटेन साइलेंस because this puja is not done only for these two people. Puja is done for each and every one of you. Also, I will include all of you and all your family members. This puja is 16 steps. Understand how do we receive a guest in your home, same way you receive Bhagwan in your home. But where is the home? Your physical home is outside, but your home is your heart. So when we invite this puja in the Sanatan Dharma, it's very beautifully indicated outside, but the actual puja is inside. 16 steps. When somebody comes to your home, what is the first step? He comes, knock the door, you greet him. And what is the last step? He says goodbye. So out of 16, leaves 14 steps. Those 14 steps are nothing. Those are 14 indriyas. Those are the 14 instruments Bhagwan has given. So we do worship from each instrument. Eyes, we see the light. Incense, we smell it. With the ghanta, we hear it. So all significantly, those 14 steps is our puja. And when we do this single pointed, then Bhagwan, who is sitting in our heart, which we do not know, blesses us. He also blesses whatever your wishes. But Bhagwan is such a personality, such a identity, such a thing who knows one and all. He can bless whatever you do not even ask. I was teaching in Ramcharitmanas 2 words, Daya and Kripa. Tulsidas ji says, Daya, Deen. Deen means you don't have to ask Bhagwan, Bhagwan give it to you. But Kripa you have to ask. So with this symbolic, let's invoke Bhagwan Hanumanji on the occasion of Hanuman Jayanti. We'll do all puja. These are our yajman. Thank you. So first we do Dhyanam Vigneshwar. So fold your hand. I'm going to chant. Some of you know. You can chant together. If not, then there is some steps which will I ask you to repeat, because those are the parts that you have to do, I cannot do. Some of the parts is a proxy, I can do it for you, but some of the things you have to do. Om Shuklam Varandharam Vishnu Shashivaranam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadnam Dhyaye Sarva Vignopashante. Achmanam. I'm going to give you 3 times. Sip this water for the purification. And also when I chant this mantra, you all can repeat after. You just touch your father, so it means you are part of it. What are we doing? Sip it and I say the mantra. Okay, all of you say Om Narayana Swaha, Om Madhavaya Swaha, Om Keshavaya Swaha. I worship. Om Govindaya Namaha. That was outside purification. Inside purification is your pranayama. So you all know because Because of the time of essence, I'm not going to explain. But these two fingers you put in the left nostril, take the breathing from the right, cross it, and move it 3 times. Next step is Sankalpa. It means promise. This promise you repeat after me. Every time you take a petal of flower, this plate is an extension of Bhagavan Hanumanji. So after the puja and mantra is done, you put it here. Without saying me, you should take a petal flower every time. Okay? Come down. Alright, please repeat. Om Mamo Pata समस्त दुरिते क्षय द्वारा श्री परमेश्वर प्रीत्यर्थम पुण्य काले अस्मिन् शुभ मुहूर्ते ज्ञान वैराग्य सिद्ध्यर्थम विद्या विनय प्राप्त्यर्थम श्री सद्गुरु प्रसाद सिद्ध्यर्थम च श्री हनुमत षोडशोपचार पूजा करिष्ये। आगमार्थन्तु देवानां गमनार्थन्तु रक्षसां सूर्ये घण्टार तत्र देवतावानं तत्र। Now first we will do the Ganesh Ji Dhyanam and then Guru Dhyanam. Take a petal of flowers please. Ado sarva vigno vishante Shri Vignesha Smarami. You all know, let's chant together. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvata. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Devata Dhyanam. Goshpati Krat Variram Vashkrita Rakshasam Ramayan Mahamala Ratnam Vande Nilatmajam. All chant together. Manojavam Marutulya Vegam Jitendriya Buddhimatam Varishtam Vatatmajam Vanarayutam Shri Ramadutam Shirisaranama. Devata Agachate Teresho Tejo Rase Jagannati Priyamana Maya Pujam Grahana Suvisattame Shri Anjaneyaya Namaha Pavayami. Now Bhagavan is here, so we have to give you asana, seat. First thing, asana. Ratna Singha Sanagudha Sarva Bhupal Chandita Asanam Te Maya Dattam Pritim Janyatu. Now next 3 steps is the water. First you're going to wash your feet and what you can do, you just take yourself. Padyam Pachata Samayuktam Purushottam Vallabha Padyam Grahana Deveshi Purn Rupe Namoste Shri Anjane Namah Padyam Samarpayami. Padyam Namaste Deve Deveshi Namaste Dharani Dhare Namaste Jagadadhare Adhyanta Prati Prayetam Shri Anjane Namah Achmanam Nana Nadi Samanitam Suvarna Kalash चित्तं ग्रहाणे आचमानीयं विमलं जलमुच्चितं श्री आंजनेय नमः. Now we're going to bathe him. So, pouring few times. नदीनत समादृते तोये मंत्रामि संस्कृतैः अत्याभिषेक राजेन्द्र स्नाहि शुद्ध जलेन मे श्री आंजनेय नमः स्नानं समर्पयामि. Mandir Pandit ji usually do abhishek. When we have a time, and also that Bhagwan Shiv and Bhagwan Hanuman ji, they are Abhishekam Priya. Vishnu Bhagwan Alankar Priya. That is why we do this thing, and it is a very big struggle. But because the school regulation and lot of things, we're going to do with the money. Vastram, now we're going to give some vast. Here, take a petal of flower. हित्वा पीताम्बर चीरकृष्णाजन्धराच्युतं वन्दे स्वाद्यमे वस्त्रं स्वर्णसूत्र विनिर्मितं श्री आंजनेय नमः वस्त्रं समर्पयामि. Now we're going to do Chandan, Hasu, Gangade. So I already put some water here. All you have to do is sprinkle. Okay? Gangade. Go ahead. Shrikhand Chandanam Divyam Gadadyam Sumanoharam Vilepanam Surasheshta Chandam Pratigmita Shri Anjaneya Namaha Dhanam Samarpayami. अक्षतान् कुङ्कुमिनाश्याम् अक्षयफलदायकम् अर्पये तत्पादाब्जे चलितकण्डूलसम्भवान् श्री आंजनेय नमः शतं समर्पयामि. Sometimes Pandit ji put the whole mala Bhagwan. So symbol of mala, you take the whole flower, not as yes, you take the mala. चंपका कोश पुण्यैगे जलज्जे तुलसी दलै पूजयामि रघुतस् पूज्यं त्वां संकादिनी श्री आंजनेय नमः नानाविधि परिमूल पुष्पाणि माला समर्पयामि. Now we are going to chant 11 names which is very important and you all repeat after me. So this is Archana. So usually we do it 108, sometimes we do even 1008. So 11 is symbolic, again it goes. So 11 times both your husband and wife take one petal of flower. The best thing is you take some and every mantra you repeat and chant. Okay? Come forward. So you all can chant. Ready? Okay. Om Anjaneyaya Namaha. Om Mahaviraye Namaha. Om Hanumate Namaha. Om Maruttatmajaye Namaha. Om Tattva Jnana Pradaye Namaha. ओम सर्वग्रह विनाशिने नमः. ओम सर्व दुख हराये नमः. ओम महाकायाय नमः. ओम मनोजवाय नमः. ओम सर्व रोग हराय नमः. ओम हनुमते नमः. Also, the same time we are doing the Paduka Puja. His feet represent where the dharma stands. We cannot live our life if dharma is not there. If the police is not here, who's going to protect you? If the fire department is not here, something happened in our kitchen, who's going to protect? Dharma is very important. Paduka, the symbol of dharma. So we are going to do the Paduka Puja. So we're going to chant 108 names. You all repeat after me. This is long one, so you take some bit of a class. Alright, listen and please chant. Om Ajaye Namaha, Avyaye Namaha, Avinashine Namaha, Achintyaye Namaha, Aprameyaye Namaha, Advitiyaye Namaha, Aniketaye Namaha, Anushasan Priyaye Namaha, Antarsakshine Namaha, Antaryamine Namaha, Anandaye Namaha, Atmaswarupaye Namaha, Anglibhasha Viduttamaye Namaha, Ishwaraye Namaha, Udarhitaye Namaha, Utsahavardhakaye Namaha, Ekasmai Namaha, Omkar Vide Namaha, Karunasagaraye Namaha, Karmaparayanaye Namaha, Kalatitaye Namaha, Kaivalya Swarupaye Namaha, Pratatmane Namaha, Yatpratyaye Namaha, Gita Jnana Yajna Pracharakaye Namaha, Gurave Namaha, Gunatitaye Namaha, Granthkrate Namaha, Chinmayaye Namaha, Chinna Sanchayaye Namaha, Jagadatmane Namaha, Jagat Sakshine Namaha, Janpriyaye Namaha, Jitendriyaye Namaha, Jiva Brahmaik Vide Namaha, Jivan Muktaye Namaha, Chirna Mandirodrakaye Namaha, Tapovanshishaye Namaha, Tapasvine Namaha, Tapnashanaye Namaha, Tirthaswarupaye Namaha, Tejasvine Namaha, Dehatitaye Namaha, Dvandatitaye Namaha, Dranishchayaye Namaha, Dharma Sansthapaye Namaha, Dhimate Namaha, Dhiraye Namaha, Dhairyapradaye Namaha, Narayanaye Namaha, Nijanandaye Namaha, Nirpekshaye Namaha, Nisprahaye Namaha, Nirupamaye Namaha, Nirvikalpaye Namaha, Nityaye Namaha, Niranjanaye Namaha, Paramaye Namaha, Param Brahmane Namaha, Pavanaye Namaha, Pavakaye Namaha, Purushottamaye Namaha, प्रसन्नात्मने नमः। फलासक्तिरहिताय नमः। बहुभक्ताय नमः। बद्धमोचकाय नमः। ब्रह्मनिष्ठाय नमः। ब्रह्मपराय नमः। भयानाशनाय नमः। भारत गौरवाय नमः। भूमने नमः। महावाक्योपदेशकाय नमः। महर्षये नमः। मधुर स्वभावाय नमः। मनोहराय नमः। महात्मने नमः। मेधाविने नमः। यदात्मने नमः। यज्ञकृते नमः। लोकप्रसिद्धाय नमः। वाग्मिने नमः। विभवे नमः। विनोदप्रियाय नमः। विनयशीलाय नमः। वीतरागाय नमः। वेदान्तवेद्याय नमः। शान्ताय नमः। शान्तिप्रदाय नमः। शास्त्रोद्धारकाय नमः। शुद्धसत्वाय नमः। श्रुतिपारगाय नमः। श्रोत्रियाय नमः। संन्यासिने नमः। संबुद्धये नमः। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय नमः। सर्वहितचिन्तकाय नमः। सत्यसंकल्पाय नमः। संतुष्टाय नमः। साधवे नमः। सुमनसे नमः। सुहृदे नमः। स्वयं ज्योतिषे नमः। चित्प्रज्ञाय नमः। क्षमाशीलाय नमः। ज्ञानमूर्तये नमः। ज्ञानयोगिने नमः। ज्ञानप्रप्ताय नमः। नित्य शुद्ध बुद्ध मुक्त स्वरूपाय नमः। नित्य शुद्ध बुद्ध मुक्त स्वरूपाय नमः। ओम नित्य शुद्ध बुद्ध मुक्त स्वरूपाय नमः। Bhagavan has provided us as a karma bhumi, which is this earth. The quality of the earth is a smell. So when we show incense to Bhagavan, it means I have nothing. The power is given by you, so we can smell it. So it is me worshipping you, surrendering you to show this. Three times clockwise. वनस्पति रसोयुतं गन्धाढ्यो गन्धोत्तमम् आघ्रेय सर्वदेवानां धूपोढ्य प्रतिगृहीतं श्री आंजनेय नमः धूपम् आगम्यताम्। Take it very slowly. Okay. Again, Bhagavan has given the eye. Also behind the eye, Bhagavan has put Surya Devata. So that is why eyes is given by the Bhagavan, Surya Devata is also given. So we do not have to worship any other means, just show the lamp to Bhagavan. Tadipa Deepam Gahana Deveshe Vartile Samanvitam Andhakare Namastubhyam Ajnanam Vivarte. Bhagavan has also given water. Quality of the water is taste. If you take 2 scoops of sugar and you put in your mouth, you cannot taste it unless the water part comes saliva. So same thing, Naivedyam shows that whatever we eat is also given by Bhagavan. So Naivedyam. नैवेद्यं गृहीतां देवा भक्तिं मे यचलां कुरु ईप्सितं मे वरं देहि नित्यकृते नमोस्ते श्री आञ्जनेय नमः नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि ओम प्राणाय स्वाहा ओम अपानाय स्वाहा ओम व्यानाय स्वाहा ओम उदानाय स्वाहा समानाय स्वाहा ओम ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा. Next is the very famous Arti. You all chant, but I am not lighting the kapoor because before we gather here the fire truck came. I don't want them to come again. So the thing is, Karpur also, I do not know what system in here, but this is Nilanjanam Artis. You all can chant here. Om Natatra Suryo Bhati Na Chandra Tarakam Ima Vidyato Bhanti Kuto Yamagni Tameva Bhantamanubhati Sarvam Tasya Bhasa Sarvamidam Vibhati. Om Shri Anjali Namah Mangal Niranjanam. You can take this arti, bring both of your hands and touch your eyes, and then you can put your hands onto your head. So it means that Agni Devta, Surya Devta, who is a karma fal data, so he is pleased that we are doing arti today. O Deve Sarvalokesh Nana Pushpa Samidvitam Pushpanjali Pradasyami Granide Marithyami Priyanima Pushpanjali Samarpayami. Now the Bhagavan is very pleased. He has blessed. He has to visit some other places. It doesn't matter whom you invite to your home. You can be the perfect, but guests may find some error from your part. So the thing is, it is always as a protection, ask for forgiveness, whether you did or nothing. That is why the Kshama Prarthana, when we do, then also we say knowing unknowingly. So So here, what you can do, you can take your hands on the earth. So Bhagwan is in the three words. So rather than you can do 3 times when I chant. You all know this thing. So also, if you know this mantra, you can also chant together. So you also put this thing. Sometime in the mandir, you do 3 times or here, but you keep sitting. Yani kani cha papani, tanmatar kritani cha, tani tani vinashanti, pradikshana pade pade. Bhagwan, Gita says, Yada yada hi dharmasya hani, and I come yuge yuge. My teacher told me chhade chhade. You should be a great bhakta, where Bhagwan is bechain to meet you. He doesn't have to wait you. He didn't wait for Draupadi, he didn't wait for Gaja, so many stories. That's mean this Shraddha Bhakti is very important. So sometime in here we sing Pratya and all those things. But here, last Pratna, hold your hand, close your eyes. Kayena vacha mantendriyeva buddhyatmana va prakati svabhava karomi yat sakalam parasmai narayana samarpayami. Tatsat. Finish. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnam Dachyate Tasya Purnamasa Shanti 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 Hari. If you can touch the ground, so like you are doing the prostration, so this is your pranam to Bhagwan because the ground goes up to here. You stand up and prostrate the whole thing, and you can just do the pranam from there. Good. So we ask Bhagwan Hanumanji to bless our Yajman, to bless our audience, to bless this city where our Ishta Devata Swami Swarupananda has given Bhakta Hanuman. So we are gathered here to invoke Bhakta Hanuman. There is many forms of Bhagwan. Veer Hanuman, Bhakt Hanuman, Sevak Hanuman. So with this, thank you all for participating in the puja. We'll go to the next item. Hari Om.